In this concept of heights and distance from the trigonometry based solution using only Pythagoras theorem. Okay, using only the Pythagoras theorem, let us do. So any right angle triangle, this Pythagoras theorem exists only for the right angle triangle, remember. So if you take a right angle triangle, one of the angle is 90 degrees, so it's a right angle triangle. Now which side is opposite to 90 degrees, that is called hypotenuse, and other two are, one is opposite, one is adjacent. So hypotenuse square is equals to opposite square and adjacent square. Okay, let us take the angle is here, theta. Now this is the hypotenuse, so it is the opposite and it is the adjacent. The angle which is straight side is opposite side and base side is adjacent, and 90 degrees, opposite of 90 degrees side is hypotenuse. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to sum of the squares of other two sides. That means hypotenuse square is equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. This is only for the right angle triangle. Using this concept also we have the problems. A man looks at the top of the tower which is 400 meters height. Okay, top of the tower. The tower is 400 meters height. Okay, let me take this. So it is the 400 meters height. A man looks at the top of the tower which is 400 meters height. The minimum distance between him and top of the tower is 500. So minimum distance between top of the tower to that person where he is observing from here. So that is 500 meters. What is the distance between him and base of the tower? Between him. So from him to base of the tower. That means it's 90 degrees. Okay, perpendicular. The tower is to the base is perpendicular. So it's 90 degrees. We need to find out value of x. Okay, that is the distance between him. The person is here. Person is at A. Okay, BC is the height of the tower. AB is the shortest distance from the person to top of the tower. Okay, then what is the distance between them? So in that case, we'll use the Pythagoras theorem. So here is hypotenuse square is 500. So 500 square is equals to, hypotenuse is always opposite of 90 degrees, which is the longest side in the right angle triangle. So 500 square is equals to opposite square plus adjacent side square. If the angle, if you treat just same, square of the hypotenuse is equals to sum of the squares of other two sides. So 400 square plus x square. You simplify this from this, then x square is equals to 500 square minus 400 square. You can use a square minus b square formula. 400 square other side minus 400 square whole square. Simplify 500 into 500. So 25 4 zeros. 500 into 500. 2,50,000. 400 into 400. After 16 4 zeros. 1,60,000. Subtract this. So you'll get 90,000. That is value of x square. Then x is equal to square root of 90,000. That is 300. Because 300 into 300 is 90,000. You can do prime factorization also. So x is a 300 meters. That means distance between him to the base of the tower is 300 meters. Okay, the main thing is you can, whenever right angle triangle, without using the tan theta angles also, if you know any two sides, we can find out the third side. Out of the three sides, if you know any two sides, we can find out the third side. If you want hypotenuse, just only the formula is hypotenuse square is equals to sum of the squares of other two sides, or hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. According to this, AB square is equals to AC square plus BC square. Okay, blindly need not remember. Square of the hypotenuse is equals to sum of the squares of other two sides.